Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a stop loss on Etoro, a popular online trading platform. A stop loss is a crucial risk management tool that helps limit potential losses when trading. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting a stop loss on Etoro step by step. To start, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the portfolio page. Here, you will see a list of all your open positions. Identify the position for which you want to set a stop loss and click on it to open the trade details page. On the trade details page, you will see a section called Stop Loss. Click on the Edit button next to it to open the stop loss settings. Here, you can set the stop loss price and the stop loss percentage. The stop loss price is the price at which your position will be automatically closed if the market moves against you. The stop loss percentage is the percentage of your initial investment that you are willing to lose. For example, if you have invested $1,000 in a stock and you set a stop loss percentage of 10%, your position will be closed if the stock price falls by 10%. To set a stop loss price, simply type in the price at which you want to close your position. Make sure to set a stop loss that is reasonable and based on your risk tolerance. Once you have set your stop loss, click on the Save button to confirm. Your stop loss is now active and will be triggered if the market moves against you. It is essential to regularly review and adjust your stop loss to ensure it remains aligned with your trading strategy. Best practices for setting a stop loss on Etoro include setting a stop loss that is based on your risk tolerance and market analysis. Avoid setting a stop loss that is too tight, as this can result in your position being closed prematurely. Also, make sure to set a stop loss for all your open positions to minimize potential losses. In conclusion, setting a stop loss on Etoro is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and limit potential losses. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using best practices, you can effectively use stop losses to protect your investments and achieve your trading goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and adjust your stop loss regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your trading strategy.